Hello? Now? Okay. I'm sharing my screen. Okay. My screen is visible. Analysis of structure. Please respond. My screen is visible.
No, ma'am.
Screen is visible.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Someone said yes. Jubulu. Yes, ma'am. Screen is visible. Let's wait for 2-3 minutes. Sabina, no. Your voice is lagging. Now it is visible. Hello? Please respond. Yesterday I took the class of section A very smoothly. What is the issue now? Am I audible and screen is visible? First screen. Okay, okay. Uh,
Yes, ma'am.
okay. So I would like to start. Okay. So till now we have discussed the basic thing of the mechanics of material. We saw the properties. We saw the some definition of stress and strain. Then we move forward to stress strain diagram. Okay. So next, let's start with analysis of structure. So what is the purpose of studying mechanics of material? So that we can apply those mechanics on those when we construct a structure, we should know how the material will behave. Okay, so that was the basis I have received. We have discussed so far. So now let's move to the analysis of structure. So how we start with the analysis of structure? So basically, we'll go with the definition. What is a structure? What is uh what is a structure? Okay, so basically a structure is a general type. We design a structure based on a general type, like how much deformation it can carry or how much load it can be carried. So every structure is based on its load. Okay, suppose you have want to construct a G+4 building, so you will design that building on the load it will carry. So before designing a building, you will get this in your earlier semester, like 7, 8. In building design, first you calculate loads, and based on those loads, you decide which floor you will go and how will you design your structures. Okay, whatever with the structure, you first always calculate your load. So and this load can be, as we have discussed, axial, and in axial there is a type which you can say tensile force or you can say compressive force. Okay, next we have flexure, shear or torsion. Okay, excuse me ma'am, I'm here to inform you that I have a network issue from last. Please don't type all this in chat box now. Okay, it will distract me. Whatever is the issue, please write to please WhatsApp me. Okay, I'm continuing with the lecture. Don't type this all this in the chat box. Whatever you have issue, text me personally in my chat box. Okay, don't just here, just the type. When I say type, then only type. Otherwise, it will distract me. I have opened the chat box just to see whether my network is okay or not, whether I'm audible or not, whether my voice and screen is visible, synchronizing or not. I have not moved my cursor so far. Wait. Now it is visible. I've drawn a green line. It is visible. Please respond because we have very less time for this meeting. It will end up. Now, screen is visible or not? Here nothing to discuss. Here nothing to discuss in this more to discuss or show you anything. Screen is visible or not? Introduction, what is the structure? I have shown introduction, what is the
No, ma'am.
screen is not visible. I might have network issues. Yesterday I took 8th section A's class very effectively. What is the issue today? Do one thing, join at 9:45. Let me change my place, okay? Do one thing. I will continue with the same class. No, that I cannot do. Let me share once again. Let me share my screen once again. I can see only the home page. Don't know what about others. Now it is visible. Analyze what is the structure. Introduction. What is the structure? Please respond in the chat box. What is the structure? Journal type based on deformation and type of primary load. Just wait for 2-3 minutes. Till then, write your roll number in the chat box. Till then, write your roll number in the chat box. All of you write your roll number in the chat box. Done? All of you wrote their roll number? Don't left the meeting, okay? I'm trying to share my screen once again. Those who have joined newly, please write your roll number in your chat in the chat box. Two of you joined recently, so write your roll number in your chat box. Yesterday I took section A class very effectively, no issue. Let me share my screen once again, okay? Now it is visible. Just wait 2-3 minutes. Okay, I'm doing one thing. I'm sharing this PPT. I'm sharing this PPT in the group, and I'll discuss. You go through the PPT. That will be okay. Maybe there are two screens. That's why it is not. Let me share it once again. Okay, let me share it once again. I'll try. I'll try. The two PPT was open. That's why it was not showing. There was two PPT open. That's why maybe it was not showing. Let me try this too. And please share the PPT. Now it is visible. Yes, I'll share the PPT. Just trying the last time. Now it is visible. Please respond. Introduction. I have opened that introduction. What is the structure? Journal type based on.
No,
No.
ma'am.
So let me share the PPT now. Let me share the PPT in the group itself. Any doubts from the earlier classes? Any doubts from the earlier classes? Hello, am I audible? Any doubts from the earlier classes we have discussed? No. Okay, only one student. What about others? No, ma'am. Okay, write down. My voice is clear, right? So write down some questions for your assignment. Till then, till my file is till I share my file, write some questions. Okay, write some questions. You have to make. What? No, ma'am. Write some questions like write. Describe. Write a description of finite deformation. I'm writing the question. Question number 1. The chatbot Give a description of finite deformation. Question number 1. Give a finite deformation description of finite deformation. Give a description of finite deformation. Mute yourself. Then there is a second question. Give a description of number 1 was finite deformation. Number 2 is infinitesimal or infinitesimal deformation. Okay. So I gave you 2 questions. Give a description of finite deformation, and number 2 is your infinitesimal deformation. Clear? Is that clear? I have give 2 questions. One, describe the give a description of finite deformation and infinitesimal deformation. Okay. Submit me when you have next class. Today is my Tuesday, no, Wednesday, Thursday. Submit me on Thursday. Only 2 questions. Till then, I'm sharing this file to the group. Let me try once more. Okay. Now it is visible. Analysis of structures. The first page. Now I have shown the second page, which is introduction. What is a structure? No, ma'am. No, ma'am. Must be there is a
visible.
I don't know why it is opening 2 files at a time. There must be some issue. Okay. Do one thing. Join the class at. Okay. Someone send me what is it? Is okay. It is showing my okay. Do one thing. Join the class at 10 positively. Okay. I have taken down your 46 new students came, right? Just wait. Those who have joined newly, please write your roll numbers, okay, in the chat box so that I can note down. Those who came newly, please write your roll number in the chat box. Until then, please don't leave the class. And those who have joined newly, please write your roll number so that I can mark present for the first class. A little network issue or some issue, I'll mark it as. Ma'am, time for next class. Next class is exactly at 10. Because we haven't done the first, we were not able to done the first class, right? So exactly at 10. Okay. I'm ending this meeting. Okay. Join at 10.